How to use WooCommerce email customizer. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use the customizer for WooCommerce to customize your emails, because let's be honest, the default emails for WooCommerce are a little bland and we can't edit them in any way whatsoever. So that's why in this video I'm going to tell you how you can edit them. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to have WooCommerce and WordPress installed. Of course, without that we can't move on. You have to have the website, and then you want to have the WooCommerce plugin installed over here. Now once that's done, everything's good. We're going to move on to the third part, the main part of this video, which is going back into the plugin store over here and click on add new plugins. And over here it's going to take us to the plugin store, and over here we're going to be searching for a plugin called email customizer. All right, we're going to search for that, and we're going to have a bunch of different ones over here. So we have Yaymail, we have decorate WooCommerce email customizer, email templates, all these different ones. But what we're going to installing is this one right here called the Yaymail. It's really nice, it's really cool. So we're just simply going to click on install, wait for a couple of seconds for it to be installed, and once it's installed we'll just click on activate to activate the plugin itself. Now it's going to take us over here, and once the plugin has been activated, all right, as you can see it's over here. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and click on start customizing to actually customize our email. So over here, as you can see, this is the email address right here. This is how it looks like. And now we're going to go ahead and start editing it. Now, if you come over here immediately, you will see that you can almost edit all of these different emails. So we have like new order, cancel order, failed order, order on hold, refund order, new account, password reset. We have all these different emails. We can edit each and every single one of them, and this is basically a sample order to show. All right, and over here on the left side we have all of our tools, and it's a really simple drag and drop tool. We just simply click on them, select them, and drag them over to wherever we want to put them, and that's basically it. So it's really simple, and if we can edit each heading and each section of this email as well. So for example, if we wanted to edit this section over here at the top header, what we'll basically do is we'll just change the name over here to new order one, and that's basically it. Like, as you can see, that's how it looks like. And then we can even change like the alignment of the text as well. We can put it in the center and put it on the left side, justify it, put it on the left. We can do whatever we want. I think it looks good in the center, and we can even change the font size of it as well. We can change the text color. We can make it bold as well, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and make it bold. And then we have our format as well, so everything looks good. But I actually want to increase this one over here. Actually, let me just select all of the text. Let me just go ahead and increase the size and make it bold. There we go, and I'm gonna put it center aligned. There we go, that looks nice. Once that's done, we are good to go, and we can even change the font family as well. So let me just select the entire text. So we have all these different fonts in front of us. So we have Helvetica, we have Arial, we have Comic Sans, we have all these different ones, so you can choose whichever one you feel like it, and you can go ahead and do that. Next, what we can do is let's go ahead and edit this section over here, or if you want, you can also add like an image for the product. So for example, if I drag this over here, click on the image, and I can just simply add in the image over here. I can add in the product image. So let me just go ahead and change the image. So let's just assume that this is the image right here. This is the product that they bought. All right, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna appear over here. You can go ahead and edit it as well. You can put it like padding, and change the padding. As you can see, it moves to the left and right and stuff like that. It all depends on you. You have your image, you have the size as well, and you have the primary color of the background. You can change it to red, white, black, whatever you want. It all depends on you, but I think white looks nice, so we'll just keep it at white. There you go. Next thing you can do is you can change the other section as well. You can maybe like add in more text or more inputs, titles over here, such as you have your quantity, you have your product title, you have your price title, payment method, input. You have all these different fields that you can choose from. All right, so for example, in product title, we can just go ahead and say like a pot of plant or something like that. We'll go with that. I don't think we can actually edit this because it's already there. I don't think we can edit that, but actually we can. No, we can't. I'm sorry about this one. But you know, if you can go ahead and choose other ones as well. So you have like text over here, you have buttons, email headings, image box, image list, text list. So for example, if you wanted to add like a text list, you can go ahead and add that. You know, go ahead and click on click me and you can add like text list over here to make it even more prominent. Do whatever you want. It all depends on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and then you have your billing address over here. Next thing that we previously had, you know, shown, you can go ahead and add in the video image box as well. So as you can see, like this one, you can even put like an image of your house, like from Google Maps. I know you can add in the address over here so that people can know where to, you know, get the address from, stuff like that. It looks pretty nice and everything. And once that's done, you can even choose like, you know, failed orders. Yes, we'll save this one, so and choose the failed order. So over here, as you can see, order failed, we can edit this one. We have completed order, thank you for shopping with us. We have the product over here. We will have the, you know, summary over here. We will have the address over here and everything. So it all looks really nice and really, really good. You can even preview it over here as well, and for the mobile version as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And once you have edited your template for your email address, you can go ahead and click on this button right here to enable this template. And once you do that, this template will be enabled and this green button will pop up right next to it, indicating that hey, this template is in use. This is a live template, so be careful with this one. So yeah, guys, it's really simple. It's really, really easy. You can do pretty much anything you want with it. You can edit anything you want. It all depends on you. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and click on save and just simply click on back to dashboard and you're good to go. So that's how you basically add different emails. So that's how you basically edit emails for WooCommerce in Elementor. And also, guys, remember, before I end this video, I just want to say that to actually use or edit, you know, your email address for WooCommerce, you're gonna need WooCommerce plugin, and it's very simple. So just come over here into the plugin store, right, and click on add new plugin, and over here just simply search for WooCommerce, this one right here, and just simply click on install and activate. I've already, you know, activated, so I'm good. And once it's installed, it will appear over here on the left side. As you can see over here, we have WooCommerce, we have home, orders, email customizers, and all of the other options over here. So we have report, settings, stats as well. And once you add the email customizer, if you go over to WooCommerce, you will have the option right here. So it's really simple, it's really easy. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, if you also know someone who is interested in videos like these, who is trying to customize their own email for WooCommerce, or if you just want to let someone know, then be sure to share this video with your friends and family members or that person so that they can know as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.